remote control lawn mower can climb steep slopes, bumpy mountains, and complex terrain. It can cope with weeding in various environments. Has strong power, can cut hay, thick grass, small shrubs, etc. Crushes them cleanly. Is not easy to store and is suitable for various hard objects that are difficult to cut. It is suitable for weeding work in various environments, and the high horsepower engine has strong crushing power for weeding. The lawn weeding is 30 to 120 millimeters, and the grass height can be adjusted by remote control. It saves time and effort, is highly efficient and safer. It has long battery life, low pollution and low noise, fast mowing speed, and no need to worry about weeding difficulties in hot weather. A high horsepower machine can solve problems such as thick grass crushing, unsafe manual weeding, and difficult handling of complex terrain.